Welcome to the Aurelia Edit, all happening at Gallery 105 SBR branch. This is happening for 2 days, that is today and tomorrow. And let's check out the collection together. The collection includes very versatile and beautiful wedding collection, festive wear में भी बहुत सारे options हैं उनके पास in different styles and patterns. They have lovely collection of premium sarees in Rangkat, Monga silk and different varieties. Also a multi-utility, cute, adorable corner and jewelry to complement it all. They also have men's jewelry this time. So yes, all this is happening at Gallery 105 SBR branch. Swipe left to see the collection. This is brand The Craft Culture, and as you can see, they have beautiful options in these silicone bags as well as phone lanyards. Hello ma'am.
Hi.
Yes.
This is Suchita from Craft Culture and we are exhibiting at Gallery 105 at SBR.
Okay.
So you all are welcome, and we have brought the bags, bottle holders again on a very high demand.
Lovely.
And we have gibbets, we have coin pouches, we have the slings for adults as well.
Right.
We have the gibbets for adults as well.
Right.
This time we have brought handmade stationery
Diaries
as
and
well,
stationery.
diaries with natural pressed flowers.
Right.
We have introduced a new product which is lanyards of hand crochet that we are producing ourselves, and we can now customize these as well with the gibbets.
Lovely.
So we have a lot of options in that. If you want to get the colors changed, that also you can do. We have an offer going on charms. 10 charms for INR 100 only.
Okay. Hi, my name is Devanshi. This is my brand Inara. Okay.
So we have sets like these.
Okay. Polki finish, beautiful options. Designer pieces like that. If you want something beautiful and very pretty, something in gold look-alike, they have options there also. Look at that. Loads of options to mix and match. Something very new, green and blue combination, they have that. Look at that. So many options. They also have beautiful options in statement rings, some loose bracelets, some beautiful bangle options, bracelet options, single, pair, the way you want to pair it up. They also have their beautiful bridal collection as well. Just look at that. And then if you want something in statement pieces, they have options there as well. Just look at this particular one. Very pretty. So yes, this is brand Inara with their beautiful collection.
Hi, I'm Dhwani and the name of my brand is Nazar Battu. We've got some casual and vacation fit outfits.
Okay.
Then we've got some kaftans, easy breezy.
Very smart.
We've got some printed co-ord sets.
Okay.
Some really fun mull co-ord sets.
Very pretty.
Some 3-piece sets with dupattas.
Okay.
Some tissue co-ords.
Okay. Tissue cords option.
Cape sets.
Cape sets. Very interesting.
Tissue organza 3-piece set. Banarasi dresses.
Okay. So from casual to pura wedding.
Yeah, then we have these. This is also
Kardana work
yeah.
के साथ पूरा.
We've got ombre dresses.
Lovely.
We've got wedding special tissue dresses.
Okay. Very interesting.
Then we've got some really heavy sharara and cape sets
Okay.
with handwork.
Okay.
This is a drape skirt. And then
Up to 50% off at Arc, the essence of a women. They have beautiful sari options. Yes.
This is tissue silk.
Okay.
It's organza silk.
Beautiful. It
is
all comes
Katan
with
silk,
a
light.
government certificate.
Silk mark product.
Silk mark.
Tussar.
Tussar. Beautiful options हैं उनके पास. Trust me. This is their
pure
very
Katan.
famous pure
Katan
Katan
silk Rangkat model.
Rangkat kadwa weaving के साथ.
This is wedding collection Katan silk.
Wedding collection Katan silk.
Light collection.
This is their medium range collection pura Katan silk again. So as you can see, so many color options. This is Monga silk. Beautiful collection. There are so many options of colors, designs, patterns. So this is brand Zen Sparrow and इनका पूरा collection up to 50% पे है. So they have beautiful pieces like this. If you want something in heavy, just look at that. They have options here as well. If you want something like this, सारा different collection है. If you want to go for a wedding, if you want something casual, simple, then they have options here as well. Look at that. For vacation wear, casual collection again. Look at that. So many beautiful pieces. Then if you're a wedding guest and if you want to wear something different, they have options there too. Look at this. So yes, this is brand Zen Sparrow. So this is brand Vestido and they have brought their beautiful 3-piece suit collection as well as some casual chic collection. Yes, ma'am.
Hi. So my brand name is Vestido.
Okay.
So we have this type of marriage collection.
Okay.
These suits.
All right. Lovely. Look at that. So if you're looking
These
for
all are new
something-
collection.
Okay, ये पूरा new collection है उनका. Wedding, बैठक्स, receptions.
These are in tissue.
These are in tissue. Look at the sleeve detailing as well. Beautiful. Okay. Look at that. So pastel भी है, vibrant भी है. If you want something in simple, they have that also. If you want something in heavy, chic, pura, look at that. So they have options here as well. So this is brand House of Pranjal and they have beautiful women as well as men accessories here. So as you can see, they have sherwani buttons, cufflinks here. They also have beautiful options like these. Then they have something very interesting. This is a very beautiful sindoor dibbi, or if you want to put in anything else and then you can use them. So they have options here. They have some hair accessories, some very beautiful watch options, some more options in, you know, these cufflinks. Yes. So they have loads of options here. And then moving on to their jewelry here. So they have lots of options and pieces that you can wear for a destination wedding, or you can wear them for festivities. These are beautiful multi-purpose. You can wear them the way you want to. Look at that. Look at the options. Look at this. Very pretty. Beautiful. Some earrings, some rings.